Now I'm sure that on Facebook many times you've seen things like this. These are photo quotes or image quotes, and we see them all the time. Now although they are a bit old hat, they still get a lot of interaction. They're still very popular. Now I'm at a site here called livelovecreate.com, and this website has over 77,000 of these photo quotes that we can share on Facebook. Now we can sort by trending, newest or most popular, and right now I'm sorted by most popular. So if we wanted to share any one of these at all we need to do is click on share, share on a page you manage, select the page, type something in here, say something about this, and click share link. Now when you register for an account with livelovecreate.com, it's completely free of course, but you will have the option of either signing up with Facebook or signing up with your email address. Now this website is a little bit buggy, meaning that sometimes things don't work exactly the way they're supposed to work, so we do have to be a little bit patient with it sometimes. At the moment, at the time of making this video, the sign up with Facebook part is not working, so you'd need to sign up using your email address. Now it may be that they have fixed that by the time that you come to register for an account here, but if the sign up with Facebook feature is not working, just sign up using your email address. But there's more we can do here. We can actually create our own quote photo, and to do that we click on recreate just on any of these at all. It doesn't matter which one, just click recreate, and now you've got this page coming up. Create something amazing. The first thing you do is select a layout. You could have any of these layouts at all. I'm just going to select this one. Now we've got the layout, and we have the options of choosing a background, entering text. We can select the size of our text, we can select the font, we can select the alignment, we can select the effect. Now we just type up here. We can make the text box bigger or smaller like this. We can move it around by just putting the cursor in the middle of it, move it around like that. So to make it bigger or smaller, we put the cursor on one of the little blue boxes, like so. To move it around, we put the cursor in the middle. Now we can change the size of the font at any time. Bigger again, and now I need to make the actual size of the text box bigger. So this is really easy to work with. It's very user-friendly, very beginner-friendly. We can add another text area here, move it down, and then we can type in here. We can use a completely different color for the font, a different effect color for the font, move the box around, change the size of the box. We have a third text area here. Now I didn't select a background for this demonstration, but you would select a background. You would just click on here. You would choose any of these at all. So you could choose pre-made. If you choose pre-made, a selection of pre-made backgrounds will load up for you to choose from. If you choose Facebook, this is going to allow you to upload an image from Facebook as your background. If you choose from your computer, this is going to allow you to upload an image from your computer. And this one here, use our plugin. Now I have not used this for the simple reason that this website is a little bit buggy, so I've stayed away from the plugin. So I'm not actually going to load up a background in this demonstration because it is a little slow. This website is not perfect, but it is a great place to come along, get hold of some great photo quotes, or simply create your own. And once you finish doing everything, simply click down here, finish your creation, then you can share it on Facebook and you're done.